Howdy do, hooty hoo. It's Asher. And I'm back. I'm back for being sick. Y'all really been procrastinating on what the freak I'm gonna post. There's so many games I wanna try out. Without further ado, let's get into it, y'all. Okay. Nothing to read. Alright. On the way, and guess what? The stupid FedEx driver. He delivered them to the wrong address. And it clearly says the address on the order. So now I have to wait for whenever they come back in stock to get my panels. Burn the bodies. Nothing over there. Dang. Ooh. Brain juice. Brain juice. What's this? Oh, it says R R2. What? What's in here? Okay, we got some matches. Match, Miss Mary Match. Okay, we can hide under the bed. I don't need to hide under the bed. Who is that?
Oh God.
Is somebody in here?
Who's there? No, don't shoot. I'm not one of them. I'm a doctor. Marcelo Jimenez.
You were in the ambulance before it crashed, right?
Yes, we're lucky to be alive.
Have you seen anyone else?
My patient Leslie. I saw him running up ahead, but...
But?
Come this way. Quietly, mind you. Have a look for yourself. Those things chased me all the way into the village.
Me too. They're all over the place.
They're like zombies, but they can
Leslie
like
went through that gate.
kill you with weapons.
Good Lord.
There are too many to shoot up.
Oh,
If
sure.
you say so.
Ooh, we know we finna use those. Is that limeade? Oh no. Whoa.
Damn them both thing.
The crank is on the turn. That's nasty. I'ma die. Okay, I didn't know how to sneak, so. What the? Okay. We gotta take one of these. Wait, hold on. Open that. Ooh, brain juice. We ain't got that much, so I'm gonna wait. We can hide. Oh my goodness, this camera angles is be the death of me.
There is a crank on the terrace. You'll need to operate it if I'm to pass through.
Then where that be? Crank. Okay. Alright, go through, dude. How we get up? How we get over there?
Over here! Here! Hey! Over here! That's right, this way!
That old guy's gonna get himself killed.
Right. What the freak? Oh my goodness, dude. It is too late. You spotted. Why I'm missing? What the freak? Oh my goodness. They so trifling now. Alright, get learned. Ooh, yeah, nice. We need those. Look at that. I'm gonna pick this bottle up. That's how you do that right there. What's that? Brain juice. Um, and we got a key. What the freak? Okay, you got this. How? 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 Whoa, sir. Why can I not take their weapon? You getting burned, dude. Why? You shouldn't be missing. Ooh wee. We got a shotgun. I think there's a. Y'all see how she was tap dancing? Where's that dude that shoot me? That was shooting at me. There he go right there. Uh, Wait. One of them seen me. Ooh. It's too many of them. That's what I'm talking about. Oh! Oh my. I should have shot him. I got one bullet left. Bingo. Let's have this ready. He's gonna pop out. Ooh, Lord. Oh my. Oh, I got a shotgun. Oh my goodness. Oh, my heart. What is going on? Where's the dude with the chainsaw? I wasted him for no reason. Oh. Please climb, 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 climb. Can they climb up ladders? Like, can they do that? If they can climb up these ladders, I'm so screwed. Woo-hoo! Oh no, get out the way. Oh, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. I can't die. I mustn't die. All of these freaking. They're free. I gotta figure out what I can do. I'm just glad that they can't climb, but this is stressful.
Gotta take this guy down fast.
I know. So, okay, let's try the boat. So, I'm gonna try the boat and see. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's down. My camera went off. Oh, look at that guy.
I better hold on to this.
Yes. Chainsaw. Let's get the freak out of here. I mean, is it possible to break chains with a chainsaw? Like, is that possible? Really asking.
Wait! Over here! Wait, officer. You must take me with you.
Detective Castellanos.
Leslie should be just ahead. It is imperative that we find him.
Yes, get it right. Sebastian. Yes, this is chapter 3. Chapter 3 S9.